Hello friends, welcome to another method where I'll be showing you how you can make money online using a method known as CPA marketing. CPA marketing simply stands for cost per action marketing. What you are seeing here on the screen, this is Max Bounty Affiliate Network. Okay, it is the one I'll be using for demonstration purposes. However, it is not a mandatory requirement that you should have a Max Bounty account, because I'll be showing you exactly where to find the offers that we'll be using to make money online with this method. All right, so if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and the channel is Jones Mbuso. All right, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Just make sure you subscribe. Okay, so now to get started with this method, why I thought of this method or remembered of this method is because I haven't been using this method for quite some time. If you check my channel somewhere in 2019, I had shared something about Max Bounty, because that's the time I was using more of Max Bounty before I decided to do something else. So let me just go to the reports and I show you why I decided to teach this method. Okay, so like I've said, I haven't been running or promoting CPA campaigns, especially on Max Bounty. But however, I checked my report, I got a message, and when I checked my report last month, I discovered that I had generated an income, or I generated 3.25 United States dollars. All right, I had made this amount without doing anything, and I don't even know where this came from, how it happened. But you can see from my records, it's showing that I had 5 clicks, and out of those 5 clicks, one of the people that clicked on that entered their details. And yes, I'm saying details because CPA marketing is not always about selling, but sometimes you discover that you only need someone to submit their email and you get paid. That's why it's called CPA marketing, or cost per action CPA marketing. All right, so you can see that one lead and I was paid $3.25. And this I did it, I think, I don't know where I even submitted this link, but it seems that that person found that link and they managed to promote or to enter their details, and I got paid this amount. So probably I'll be making more of the amounts, probably if someone else finds that same link. Okay, so now let's get started. What you're going to do when you
Hello friends, so
okay, let me
most
just
of you have
remove
been
this.
asking, is it
Okay,
possible to make money
all right, so sorry for that. Okay, I had clicked on my channel link. All right, so now the first thing I want you to do is go to Google and you want to search for offer vote. Okay, offer vote. Okay, yeah, that's the first thing you want to search for. The reason I want you to search for offer vote is because if you come to Max Bounty, it's not very easy to join Max Bounty, especially if you're a beginner. But on my channel, I have a video which shows you how to join Max Bounty, but they might probably disapprove you if you don't follow exactly how you're supposed to answer the questions, because they go through the questions, they ask you some questions which they determine whether you're a good fit or not. Okay, so if you want me to create a video on how to join Max Bounty, just let me know in the comment section and I'll do that. An updated version, of course, but I have another video on my channel already that you can find when you go through some of my videos on my channel. Okay, so now the first thing I said is want to search for offer vote and click the link that appears here, that which is offer vote. Okay, so offer vote, this is a website that shows you all the affiliate marketing platforms that are out there, and it also shows you all the products that are there that you can join. And the good thing about offer vote is that you can find all right, the good thing about offer vote is that you can find almost any type of product that you'd like to promote. So depending if you have a brand, you can just look for a type of product that resonates with your brand type. Okay, so in this case, what we want to look for products that are free. One, they need to be free, and two, they need only to require email submit, or they should be easy to complete. Those are the offers that we are looking for. So on Max Bounty, what you're going to do, you want to go to categories and you want to find email submit. Okay, email submit. So here you can see email submits. I'm going to click on email submit, and countries is all right. It doesn't matter which country you want, but let's say for example I want to target the USA. For the sake of this video, we're going to target USA because United States is one of the top countries that pays high for affiliate products. Okay, so you can see we have USA, and you can see on USA, just someone to do an email submit. One of the offers is here, which is paying you $2.25, and that person should be in the USA, and they show you the network, which is Triad Media. Okay, so what you can do, this one also requires credit, debit and finance. Okay, so they have to submit an email, zip submit and the likes. So now that's not something we want. We want only something that requires an email submit. Okay, so the offers that are here, they are quite plenty. What I encourage you to do is make sure when you're choosing the offers you want to promote, make sure you have a lot of them. So you can go right ahead and choose join one of these networks. Just choose some of these networks and some of the offers that are here. Click on them and it will take you to the sign up page where you can join these offers. Okay, and once you join those offers, you are going to find offers that are free. You will find offers like free PS4, free PS5, free credit card, uh, free $500 gift card, Amazon gift card, PayPal gift card. You want to look for such things that are uh, share such information, because people love free stuff, even if they know they are not going to win, but people love free stuff. So those are the kind of offers you want to find here. And once you find those offers, you are going to join the network. So now, for example, let's say I've joined the network. Now for me, I'll be using Max Bounty for this demonstration. So once you are joined those networks, you want to go to the browse or search feature of those products. So what you're going to do, you want to search for approved to run. Let's say approved to run those products. Then categories. Okay, we are going to, of course, we want email submits. Okay, email submits, because like we said, we want something that is free. Okay, so email submits, and I'm going to click. Then also, okay, you can also choose if you want gift cards. Let's say for example I want gift cards. I'm going just to click gift cards here and apply search. Okay, because I know most offers to do with gift cards, people will not be paying anything. Okay, will not be paying anything. All they have to do is probably maybe complete a small survey or just enter their email, and definitely you get paid. So now when you're choosing the offers, you can see here what they're showing. These are CPA type. Okay, they are CPA type of offers. Now you want also to look at the EPC. Now EPC is just the earnings per click, so meaning that if you see a high EPC here, it means that out of the traffic that you send, you probably get a lead. So the lower the CPC than the EPC is probably because that offer is not doing very well, or most people are not getting paid for the traffic they are sending to that offer. So I want to look, at least for me personally, I like to see an EPC that is somewhere 0.1, at least 0.1. Mostly if I see 0.0 something, I don't usually promote such. But sometimes it just happens that an offer can get affected because someone sent useless traffic to the offer. That's why sometimes it's difficult for them to approve newbies, because sometimes they send traffic which is not good. Okay, so what you're going to do, you want to take note of this. Now to take note of this, what you're going to do is open Google and search for Google Docs. Okay, Google Docs. Okay, Google Docs. Let me just search for it like that, and you're going to search for it. And when you go to Google Docs, you're going to open Google Docs. Okay, when you open Google Docs, that is just like the way you have WordPress on your PC. If you have WordPress on your PC, Google Docs is an online version of it, like similar to WordPress. So what you're going to do is just going to choose personal, which is Docs. Okay, of course, then you're going to choose the personal Google Docs. When you click on that one, now you have to make sure that here the offers that you have. So let's say for example, I choose, let's say this one, they get $100 Starbucks gift card, and I'll click on this one. Okay, I'll click on this one. Once you click on this one, the gift card, what you want to do is you want to, so this is the $100 gift card, you can see. Then they tell you the information. Countries that are allowed is United States, and you can see per lead they'll pay you $2.4. Okay, so meaning that when someone enters their email address into this offer, you get paid $200. Okay, so now what you want to do here is that you want to get the link for this offer. You want to get the link for this offer. You're just going to build a tracking link depending on the site, but most of the sites that you join are very quite similar. Okay, so when you choose the link, what you're going to do, you're going to choose context, or just say social, like that, and you're going to choose raw link, like that. Okay, and once you have that one, the social, because we'll be using social media to promote this link, we'll be doing it for free, and I'll also show you how you can do it in a strategic way by paying for it. Okay, so we're going to do social, then use a raw link. All right, then you're going to copy this. Okay, copy this link. So once you copy this link, you want to go to Google Docs, and you want to create a blank document. Okay, you want to create a blank document. So I'm just going to open a recent one that I created already. Okay, I'll just click on it, but it's the same. We want to open a blank document. Once you open that blank document, you are going to paste those links. The reason we're doing this is because when you go to Facebook, on Facebook usually they won't allow you to promote affiliate links from affiliate networks. Mostly when you try to promote that affiliate links, it will get blocked by Facebook. So make sure that when you are promoting the affiliate link, you are definitely making sure that you are all right. So once you have this link, you copy this link, you go to your blank website. Okay, now here what you want to do, you can see you want to write something like here I was using like legit sites for surveys, sites that pay for online surveys. Now you'll be probably whichever category you choose. So like for this is for gift cards. Okay, so you say current sites that are offering free gift cards. Okay, you change this, that is here, the heading, you change it, and that's the way you do it on Microsoft Word. You do it here the same way, and you make it you of course you have to place it in bold as the title so that it highlights things. Then here you say something like make sure to do this to enter as many offers as much as possible. Okay, enter as many offers as you can. Then what you're going to do is, let me just go down. Let's say for example I'll type it here, I'll go here, and what you want to do, you're going to write like, let's say win a $100 gift card here if you are in the USA. All right, so you do that. Okay, you have to make sure that you follow the country that offer wants, because you don't want to send unnecessary traffic. If they see that you're sending traffic which is not meant for that offer, mostly you might even get banned from the offer. So that's make sure, that's why you have to mention win this type of thing, or let's say gift card, maybe iPhone X, iPhone whatever. Then once you do this, what you want to do, where it's saying here, you want to highlight that, and you are going to come to this that shows insert link. You are going to click it there. Then now the link that you copied from Max Bounty or from whichever network you copied, you're going to come back here and paste it here. Okay, once you paste it, you're going to click apply. So now each time someone clicks on this link, okay, when they click here, they'll be taken to the landing page of this website where they can enter to win a $100 gift card. All right, so you're going to place here as many as possible. Then once you are done, let's say for example this is now your final link, you can place as many as you want, let's say 10 or 20, as many as you want, you can do that. Then once you do that, you're going to click here share, because remember, like I said, on Facebook or other social networks, they'll ban you for sharing your affiliate links directly. So you have to make sure that you do this. So you are going to now, after you've placed all your links here and you said some words like that, you're going to click on share. Okay, and when you click on share this link, what you're going to do, you want also to make sure that the link will be public. Okay, it will be public. So when you click share, let's just wait for it to load. I don't know why it's delaying a bit. Let's just see. All right, so when you click the share link, you see here where it says where it shows a global icon. You want to change this to anyone with the link. So sometimes you discover that it is here where it's showing restricted, so you have to change that to anyone with the link, and you're going to copy this link and click done. So you have that link. Now that link that you have, it is the link you are going to start sharing on Facebook platforms. All right, so you're going to go to Facebook and you are going to look for sites, of course, or groups or whichever pages that are country based. So maybe let's say look for pages like Earn Money Online in the US, Win Gift Cards in the US, Win Free Stuff in the US, like that. And you want to join those groups, and in those groups you can share something like, hey friends, check out this link where I also found how to earn money, or how to win this stuff, or how to do this stuff, and the likes. Okay, so for example, I'll search here and you can see, or you can just go right ahead and find some friends on let's say here I'll search for USA. Okay, USA. I'll type like, let's say USA, and I'm going to look for groups where, let's say, people are searching for. I know that people who want to earn money in the USA will be found. So there, what you can do, you can either befriend those people and send them links in their inbox, or you can just share in the groups, and share in the groups using Facebook. Now you don't have to limit yourself with only Facebook. You can go to Instagram, you do the same. Go to Twitter, do the same. Go to other social networks, do the same. Quora, do the same. Share that link as much as possible so that you can get enough traffic to come to the landing page. Now that is the free method of how you can make money with CPA marketing. In the next video, I'll also show you now a quicker and faster way you can make money with CPA marketing by investing a small amount, which is probably less than $10, and you get $20 in return. Thank you very much for watching. If this video is helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and you can share this with your friends so that a lot of people can watch this, and you are also helping me out to reach more people. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.